Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and back here with another banger of a video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which is the next iteration of the Galaxy Buds Pro series of earbuds, obviously by Samsung. I have the original ones right here, which have been my go-to earbuds for the past, 2 years-ish. But yep, let's go ahead and get back into these bad boys. As you can see as well, fresh off the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro video. So yeah, go watch that if you haven't already. Let's do this shit. There you go, cutting away from ourselves. Safety first as always. Jesus Christ. Wear your seatbelt, kids, and all that shit. But there it is. Nothing in here, probably just paper. Got your cable down here. Another USB-C to C cable, perfect. Don't have enough of those already. And some more ear tips for your customizing your fit for these things, perfect. But there, yeah, that's about everything for this package, ladies and gentlemen. Samsung made it nice and simple for us. All right, there they are, the Galaxy Buds Pro in the matte black case. And I think these came in two other colorways as well, the purple ones and the white ones. They actually seem smaller than the original ones, actually, just a tad bit. That's why I have this here. I want to see if this case works, if it's compatible with them. Let's go ahead and figure that out right now. If I can take that off, right? But yeah, these charge externally with the USB-C. That's one of the cool features that's one of the cool things I like about this colorway here. That's not really prone to fingerprints as much as this one is, but I like the tuned by AKG right there on the original ones. I think this has it on the inside. Yep, there it is. I think the inside looks much cleaner in presentation. Look at that. That's beautiful. Before we do that, let's see if these fit into the case. Oh wow, it's a perfect fit, isn't it? Little Spigen case for the it's like caseception. It's a case for the case. Jesus. But yeah, there it is. And this thing looks clean. Like I said, Spigen works with the original Galaxy Buds Pro and obviously now with the Pro 2. And I also have this Samsung tag. I haven't mentioned this in a while. I got a Samsung tag, but it doesn't work. It's supposed to beep. It doesn't do shit. And I try to get it to work on my phone, track it, and it doesn't work either. So that's fun. Thanks for that one, Samsung. Thank God I got this thing for free. But yep, there they are, ladies and gentlemen. I think apparently Samsung says that they're supposed to have better ANC compared to the original ones, as well as being a tad bit smaller. But let's go ahead and do a quick size comparison. Yeah, I think the Buds 2 or the Pro 2 just are a tad bit smaller, but they appear to have a bigger microphone appear. So that's sure hopefully going to help out a lot. Never mind, the bottom microphone's pretty big too. I guess they just switched sides on that. But yeah, I would say so far the Pro 2 are just a teeny bit smaller, not much of a major difference. This black, almost gray looking colorway looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. And like I said earlier, it's not glossy like these, so it's just gonna be very resistant to fingerprints and smudges and all that. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and do a sound test. Unfortunately, my camera is also my phone, so I can't really do a in-person live on the studio type of test, unfortunately. But yeah, I'll be back, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, back at it here with the after action report on what is better, the Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Buds 2, both in the Pro variants. I completely forgot about that, Jesus Christ. Anyways, so first off, I want to say this: the battery on both of these is practically the same. To round it all out, just to put it in a nice little bow, I believe that the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro here is not a superior improvement, but I'm not going to say major improvement, but it's an improvement over the Galaxy Buds, the originals here, the Pros. So first off, I noticed is that active noise cancellation on the Galaxy Buds Pro 2, the 2s have way more powerful air. It's way more noticeable with the ANC turned on with the Buds 2 Pro. With the original here, I feel like even after I turned on ANC, I can still hear most of what's going on, or not most of what's going on around me, but I can hear a significantly higher, I can hear significant more than I can with ANC turned on the 2s. But here's another thing though, it's the exact opposite with Ambient Sound. Ambient Sound is way better with the original ones. This one, it's not too good. The thing is though, with these, the 2s, it doesn't sound as robotic as the original ones do. The original ones sound more robotic, but the originals also have the ability to change between different levels of ambient sound, so you can pick up higher ambient sound or lower, and just while the 2s only have one setting, which is kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. I hardly ever use ambient sound. Like, if I'm listening to music and working out and all that shit, I don't want to talk to anybody around me unless I'm working out with my friends. Speaking of working out, the Galaxy Buds 2, personally to me, have a better fit than the original ones. I did a couple of jumping jacks, some push-ups here around my house, and I find that these have been slipping out recently. Even like minor shit, just like lifting weights as well. I'll be doing like a bench press, and then I'm trying to shove my earbud back into my ear with my shoulder, while these were staying in pretty well, even without switching out the tips, which is something I have to do to get my ear size figured out, because apparently my right ear hole is bigger than my left one, which is very strange, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's about it for this, ladies and gentlemen. I really am a big fan of these now. I feel like they sound a bit more clear. I think these may be a bit more bassy, just a tad bit, and it has a better job of does a better job of picking up higher frequency audio. Like this, I feel like it kind of has like a staticky sound to it, but I don't know, just be my ears. I may have tinnitus or something, I have no idea. But yeah, personally, overall, I would go ahead and pick up the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Like I said, ANC is a big improvement. I can really notice it, as well as just being smaller. But that's basically my verdict now, ladies and gentlemen. Galaxy Buds Pro 2 are going to be my go-to earbuds for the foreseeable future until they come out with a Galaxy Buds Pro 3, or I win the lottery and get myself some Sennheisers or something nice like that, some studio grade ones. But yeah, that's about it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and all that other good shit. And I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye. Thanks for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen.